Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Lockdown Performance. Today I've got something a little bit different. A friend of mine in Sydney has been kind enough to share some of his recent footage of the S13. I don't know if you remember that from a little while ago with the Vh45 turbo. He's made some pretty decent power, so we'll go check those videos out and I'll get back to you in a bit. So it made pretty decent power, 547 kilowatt at the rear wheels in an S13. Very light car. It's pretty good. Yeah, I just love the sound of it. And I like being different. Everyone's got an LS, Barra, JZ, RB or whatever in an S13, but not many people, I don't think anyone has got one in Australia anyway, with a Vh45 in it, let alone a turbo one. And yeah, I love it, just absolutely love it. There's a bit of footage of the roll racing and some of the drag racing as well.
These things, pull them apart, you know, pull your filter out. Look at this. Have a good old look. And this is after a dyno and a roll racing and then a drags. It's not too bad. I can't see any big chunks in there. Give it a good old wash out. Good thing then, things. See what's going on after a day of thrashing.
So as you can see in the roll racing, there wasn't much traction at all. It was just wheel spin. But I'm sure Adam's going to get that sorted out real soon with a little bit of this and that. You know what I mean? Anyway, hope you liked it. I did. I enjoyed it. I freaking love the sound of that thing. It's just Friggin' mental. In the next video, I'll have an update on my Q45. I've sold the Volkswagen, the Golf, the white one. So that's another one less headache that I've got. Q45's coming along. Stay tuned. Friggin', like I said before, description about that car that you've seen on the dyno will be in the description. So check it out. Have a good read. And I'll see you next time. Take it easy, guys. Bye.